Hi everybody, I'm Steve Beuerlein, former Notre Dame quarterback. As you can tell, I still love the Irish. I was also fortunate to play 17 years in the NFL after my Notre Dame days. And one of the things that I can tell you is that over the course of that 21-year period and then before high school quarterback as well, unfortunately on the wrong side of 19 surgeries during my playing career and then 2 more after I retired. I had both hips replaced, so 21 total surgeries. But one of the things I'm fortunate to have been able to bring into my routine is the Kannaway products of CBD products. I've been using their products probably now for a little under a year, but I really have noticed a big difference. Whether it's the CBD oil or the pure CBD that I take in the pill form, just slap some of this on there, rub it in, and within 10 or 15 minutes, I'm back on my way, able to go work out, play golf, run around with my kids, whatever it might be. And I owe it directly to the effect that the Kannaway products have on how I feel physically. So go out and get yourself some Kannaway products. I'm a big Kannaway fan, and I think you would be too if you give those products a chance. Take care and good luck to you.